Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. We're going right now to...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Yes, and for Can You Believe It today, we're in LaPorte in Indiana, the state of Indiana in the United States of America. I hear this now. I brother, I want to impress a woman and just decide to go thief a plane. Nah, I catch cold. I don't know who I catch cold from, you know. Well, I have an idea who, though. I have an idea who. And whoever it is out there will give me a call, you know. Anyway, okay, a little bit too much information. LaPorte, Indiana. People, sometimes when you hear I go on, if I'm not surprised you all kind of drama where I go on at the studio and think about me, I hold it. A man accused of stealing a twin-engine plane and driving it down the taxiway staged the stunt while he was drunk to impress his girlfriend, police said. 38-year-old Michael Santos was charged last Friday with theft, criminal mischief, and operating a vehicle after his driving privileges had previously been forfeited for life. You know, him could have beat that case up on a technicality, Reggie. Him have a good lawyer. The lawyer could say, well, according to the law, he wasn't allowed to drive a vehicle. Now, is a plane a vehicle? We don't know. Anyway, Santos, who is being held in the LaPorte County Jail on U.S. $2,000 bond, is accused of driving to the LaPorte Municipal Airport despite a lifetime ban on his driving privileges. Well, and if you reach a point where you get a lifetime ban, you know, you must know, say, a be things you did not go on with, you know. Him have a lifetime ban and say, you know what? You know, some of those Americans can be. They can't keep me down. They cannot keep me down. They stop me from driving a car. I'll show them I'm a driver plate. Anyway. According to police reports, Santos was drunk when he took his girlfriend to the airport, as she just has bad, on September 9 to show her that he could fly a plane. No, this implies that he told her before in a Reggie. He said, baby, I love you so much. I'm going to fly a plane for you. And she go, really? They climbed into the plane. No, this is, you know... You know, so you must look at woman, you know, who, when you start straight, she can't say, honey, please, I know you want to do this, but hold back a little bit, okay? Back up a little. Come here, let me talk to you, right? That's the type of woman you want. You don't want a woman who you say, baby, the way I love him, I go thief a plane and fly me here with it, and then she agreed to it. She not right in it. I see them, should have lock up too. Anyway, they climbed into the plane and were heading down the taxiway when Santos told the police flames began shooting from the left engine. He said he turned off all the switches and veered into a soybean field. Damage to the aircraft was estimated at US $160,000. That's a lot of money. Police said the plane traveled a half mile along a taxiway before it missed the curve leading to the runway, chopping up soybeans with the propeller before getting stuck in the field. LaPorte Police Detective Tom Thate said an anonymous tip from someone who overheard a man claiming he tried to drive a plane for a ride led police to Santos. Wait, they didn't catch him doing it? Oh, so after him do it and done and whatever, man informed upon him. Interesting. No, all I'm saying is, ladies, all I'm saying to you out there, if your man drunk and tell you say him love you so much, he more thief a plane and fly it with you and I, it's not a good idea to go, right? That what poor thing, she must be drunk too, no? She must be drunk too. And depend on something else too at the same time. Anyway, there you have it. This brother, I love this so man, and in order to prove him love to her, I'm just decide, say, I'm going to thief a plane and flight and I'm drunk in state. Despite being banned for life from driving anything, him decide, say, I'm going to drive a plane. People, that was...
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Yo, me said it there. Me said it there. Me said it there some minty, then I tell you, say, me have one little... Clear my throat, you know, chest feel kind of heavy. Me said it there some minty, the same deal. Brown sugar, no milk. Some people sweeten their mint tea with milk, you know, condensed milk, you know. Mint tea not for sweetener. Bush tea in general, you shouldn't take no condensed milk, you know, except tea bag. But, you know, whatever. All right, people, I don't know the thing set up. Today is Wednesday, and it's a day that we ask our regular callers, you know, to, you know, give you, you know, first-time callers and non-regular callers a chance for jump in because we not to have the skill more time to beat the regular. We don't know the phone drill more time, see? So today is like new caller day, and also for people who are not, you know, not regular callers, but you call in and things and so forth. I remember the issue of the week is it true that once you know when somebody born, you can know all kind of things about them? Right? Is that true? We are a whole heap of Jamaicans who live by this creed religiously adhere to it and so forth. And we've been having fun on Monday and Tuesday. Yesterday, I talked to people about it and so forth. I just want to say, in my opinion, I'm not necessarily buy into it, but it's fun and it's amazing to me how alike Leo women are. I swear to you, the Leo woman, them when me meet the whole of them time the same way. And December woman, Sagittarius woman. The whole of them time the same way. What they call them? We all have one sitting here for reading. Why sitting there, Ruth? No, man, why sitting there? Where is the same thing? But the whatever. I say that. Oh, you have a line it up. Well, internet now work today. We don't know what's going on at the university. But we have some other email from yesterday where we did kind of copy off and thing. So we're going to rinse them there and things. And I watch not the blessings and respect. All right, watch me now, people. I hold a break. We'll soon forward.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly Ragashanti. Once enough respect to all Jamaicans out there, big respect to everybody listening to the show abroad too, seeing the Canada link, them, enough respect, the New Jersey link, the New York link, the folks over there in Fort Lauderdale, enough respect, and Miami, of course. Big respect to everybody over in England, particularly in London and Birmingham. Enough respect to the folks in South Africa, Botswana and South Africa listening to the show. Top of the morning to you. If it's morning there, I strongly doubt that, but big respect. And I don't know the thing set up. What we're upon this week, the issue of the week is it true that if you know the month, when you know the month where somebody born, you can know all kind of things about them? See, we have a lot of Jamaicans out there who strongly believe this and swear by it. Okay, and let's just read some words, some adjectives that are supposedly descriptive of some of the signs. Aries, I am assertive, individualistic, enthusiastic, pioneering, leader, competitive, action-oriented, defensive, aggressive, intemperate, violent, fiery, powerful, extreme, arrogant, uncontrolled and unrestrained, quick, passionate, determined, fresh, head, skull. What that mean? Taurus, I have sensual, affectionate, possessive, cautious, acquisitive, musical, artistic, stubborn, solid, earthly, strong, patient, sturdy, slow, kind, just, throat, neck. Oh, it's associated with different parts of the body, right? Wait, since them I talk about different parts of the body, let me see. Gemini, hands, lung, Cancer, stomach, breast, Leo, heart, back, Virgo. This is so insulting. Virgo is intestines and digestion. What the hell? No, sir, that doesn't sound proper. Conspiracy. Did Stephanie and Tamo set this up too? Did Stephanie, Shaw, and Tamo set this up? Anyway, here we go to the phone line. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Huh?
Yes, hello.
Morning.
Morning.
I call about the birthday thing. Once you know the birthday, you can tell a person.
Yeah, you believe anything, go, sir?
There's nothing go like that.
Why you say
I
that?
born February, and the girl said February people mean. I'm a normal give my laugh.
You know you'll give your last.
Yeah, I will give my laugh.
Sometimes people think them kind and them not kind. You know?
No, but I know I would give my laugh.
You will give your last.
Yeah.
So,
and look, the month I'm nothing. Sometimes you buck up 2 men were born the same month, and it's terrible. But that not nothing for say it's coincidence.
But do you ever come upon a lot of Jamaicans saying these things though?
Yes.
Yeah?
Because I was growing up saying August man never good.
Uh-huh.
I have 3 people in my house born August.
Uh-huh.
My father and one of my brothers stay the same way. They are sissy. And my next brother is totally opposite from them.
Well on, your father and your brother stay out?
Them are sissy, them love trace.
Them are sissy,
Yeah.
them love trace.
Yeah. And my next brother stay the opposite from them.
The opposite, him knowing no trace thing.
Him not talking, him brother walk you out.
Saying.
So the month I have nothing to do with it. It's just
So wait, if a man love argue, is there a difference between somebody who love argue and somebody who love trace? Is there a difference?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just curious about that. All right then, bless up for that input there, yeah?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, man, straight. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Stephanie's up to mischief again over there. Top of the morning to you, hello. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, my morning.
Raga?
Eh.
Okay, I don't want nothing to do with January, man.
You don't have nothing to do with January, man?
No.
And why you always say that thing? Why you always say a thing like that, you know?
They're nice, they're kind, but they're jealous, dark, and foolish.
January man, jealous, dark, and foolish.
Yeah.
It's only one man you know stay, so make you say that?
No.
How many you know?
At least 4.
You know at least 4 January man. And
Yeah.
them and you say them kind and nice, but them jealous, dark, and foolish.
Yes, 4.
And when you say jealous, dark, and foolish, what kind of behavior them do? Make you say, what them do?
All right. For instance, you are going somewhere with them, right? And the next man look at you a certain way. Them start be like arguments, say, boy, are your man and Rary and them look something there.
I saw January man.
Yeah.
January man stay so.
Yeah.
I don't know one January man you talk about.
No.
I saw, you sure about this?
On January 25th, like, so long for instance, he has a problem, right? They'll take it out on you.
The January man them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see. All right, then blessings here.
All right, my friend, just want to talk to you.
Okay, quickly.
Quick.
Hello, morning, Raga.
Morning, baby. How you do? Why am I not there all our strength?
Let me tell you something, Raga.
Talk to me.
I lied them tell about August, man. You see?
You mean from yesterday?
Me have a man we born August.
Hold on. Tell him turn off the radio. There's a radio on and it's causing a feedback. Please.
Me have a man we born August.
Yeah?
And he would have give you the world.
So that's why I'm good, because he will give.
Yes, so I lied them tell about August, man.
But when we define a good person, there are other things about him that make a person good.
Yeah, man.
Like what?
We don't want to say that part there.
Oh, you know what I said that part there?
No.
Oh. So
you
say,
tell us something.
Hold on, so August man proper in that area there too.
August man are the best man.
Hold on. You say August man are the best in that area there.
Oh, what you say, Raga?
Wait, how you know though? Have you ever experienced any other month?
Yes.
And none of the month them not good like August month?
No.
But it's only one August experience you have. It's only one person you know with August who you experience that with. Or you have to say that.
Yeah, man.
But me say, but you can't say August man states and it's only one August man.
Me know what me I say.
No, me not say the thing no proper and good, you know. Me not say the thing no make you talk in a tongues and rare. But just I say, I only one August man, you know.
But me don't have a problem with him.
You don't have a problem with him?
In no farm away.
All right. How long now you in there?
About 2 years a little.
2 years a little bit now. Everything proper and sort out nice.
Yeah, man, and we soon get married too.
What cool, no?
We are married December.
Which December?
December, yeah, come. About the 16 or so.
Well, we're in a December now, you know.
It's 16th of December.
The 16th of this month?
Yes.
So we are married next week Sunday?
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations.
Anyway, Raga, I want to big up some people.
Send on.
I want to big up my mother in Clarendon, Miss Ermin Bennett, and my sister Erica.
Yeah.
Dama, Doggy, everybody. Tell them large up.
Doggy or Uno?
My brother-in-law.
Your brother-in-law named Doggy?
Yes.
Is my dog?
No.
Okay, just ask. All right,
Yeah,
you take
man.
care, yeah?
All right. Yeah, man, Raga. Love your program very much.
Much thanks,
Right,
much
cool.
thanks, many thanks. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
Not there, I will strength king. Where you there, pa?
I think, based on the subject there, I think them people who are the calling for anything, I think this horoscope thing have a lot to do with it, you know. What they read every day. I mean, I really believe in it still. They can only compare, like, I mean, a person I hear what they must about a person born in a certain month. But at the same time, I think them things are really factual, you understand?
Yeah, but have you ever come upon a situations where people who born the same month have these amazing similarities?
Definitely.
You come upon that?
But you don't find like 110 or 120.
Oh.
You understand what I say?
No, but the probability of you...
the population of the world of the country.
No, what me I said though, the probability of you knowing 10 or 20 people under one sign is slimmer though, you know.
Yeah.
It's small, so that probably not really whole. But what me I say is sometimes you see the similarities them, and even if you don't believe it, it make you wonder. Okay, but
well,
yeah.
It's up to a man still I want to believe, but personally, I think, you know, we can compare certain issues, but not personally. I'm not different about the Raga.
Yeah.
Tell me something. You had the same Raga come in the bus a couple of weeks ago?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, at two different persons. I couldn't visualize you as the same person come on the bus based on your talk show, you know.
Oh, yeah, man. Everybody said that. No, radio is a strange thing, you know. When people listen to a voice on radio, then put a face to it, an image
Definitely.
to it. Everybody.
Yeah, you try to imagine a character, a personality.
Exactly. And almost always, 99% of the time, the person don't look how the voice sound on the radio.
Anyway, my main thing we call it this morning, so you see?
Yeah.
Is based on your talk show, you know, and a down-to-earth Jamaican thing.
Yeah.
You think it would be possible you can do any research and to apply to a certain license or your station to make this talk show become a show where a person can come on expressing true feeling. They talk like a HBO thing when a man can. You understand what I did? Come and talking F-word or the Jamaican word. You understand?
Oh, you mean on a Jamaican level? Just
the possibility live.
You mean TV?
The radio station can lobby for a license. And if, you know, some don't say we all traders are slack amateur, we not supposed to pan here, but a man listen to it if he want to listen to it.
Yeah, not choice.
So, like
something where a man could have paid for if he want it.
Eh?
Something where a man could have paid for if he want.
Definitely, even so, because you're surprised, you know, if a man can call a program and can express in true feeling about a person and can talk without any beep out or any...
I would be in full support of that as long as it's managed in such a way where children don't have access to it. But there's some people here who don't want nobody. As far as I'm concerned, bad word no cuss or nothing, you know?
Yeah, but I think Jamaica, at the time we start wake up and we can express ourselves as a Jamaican for a Jamaican talk show. You understand? Seems like the American, we Americanized, and everybody can cut them effort for the movie them and what have you, and we enjoy it and we laugh, whoever like it.
All right, hold on. We have to go let go here because Stefan today, but me hear your reasoning, hear something to think about. And I will give it some thought, yeah? All right. Stephanie's here fuming, grimacing, probably about to slap me, but she has just reason to do so. I mean, Stephanie is really particular about things starting on time. So do your thing, my girl. Love the brown, though. Love the shades of brown that's going on there. You know? Interesting. Okay. Reggie, I want me to you. Reggie. I waited that a while ago. Reggie, I know some people stretch, Reggie. That was one of the strangest stretch we ever know. You stretch and I put your chin on your right shoulder. All right. Stephanie, come do your thing.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back. What? Who changed my seat? Stephanie Shaw, don't you change any seat in here. I want to know, Mr. This can't come up. It can't move. Weird. It's a go lower. And to a boss, Anthony Abrams, you see, them not too proper up in our studio. Here, Tony, Anthony Abrams, Wayne Brown, the seat. Watch out, the seat I go down more. No, so I'm not just a seat. An accident could have. Can I put this one over here? That one is better. Big man thing. But that one is the nice one, though. Jump out a pot right in the fire. Anyway, I don't know the thing set up. Welcome back to the show, the Real Jamaican Talk Show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly Ragashanti. The last caller there, it make an interesting thing, you know, why we can't have a show. Yes, me said I beg you some minty. Where did I hide? You know, if I want out there, I look for you and thing. You have a little corner where you go itch up and hide and thing. What you say, what? You never lost yet. So where did that a while ago? Me go high, me go low, me go all about, me not see. The more you look at the less you see. Just listen to these wise people, you know, they've been through it. You hear that one there? The more you look at the less you see. Sometimes if you stop look, you're frightened, now you see more. Hey, that deep, you know? That deep, you know, for real, you know? Sometimes you just pull back and you see the things clearer, you know? Here we go, top of the morning to you. Ruth, you don't understand this. This is like, you know, you're affiliated with Casey, so you can't understand. It's a Calabar thing. Anyway, morning.
Good morning, Raga.
Good morning.
The lady that was talking about August people yesterday, that's a lie. August people is very nice.
Oh, what is your name?
Ricardo Simpson.
Ricardo Simpson. Where are you calling from, Ricardo?
Claremont Way.
Where?
Claremont Way.
Claremont Way. Where is that located?
In St. Catherine.
In St. Catherine. Claremont Way in St. Catherine. And Ricardo, how old are you?
11 years old.
You're 11 years old. And you said, what that woman they talk yesterday about August people, you said nothing no go so?
No, nothing no go so for you.
Okay, then so tell me about August people. How August people stay now?
August people is very nice and always nice to people, always nice to ladies and stuff.
Okay. Well, August man nice to ladies?
Yeah.
And which month you born now, Ricardo?
August.
Oh, surprise. So, Ricardo, have you been nice to the ladies?
Yes, at school.
At school?
And all over the place.
And all over the place. So anywhere you go, you nice to the ladies?
Yeah.
So what are some of the nice things you do to the ladies now?
Like, I have manners to them.
Mm-hmm.
And like if they ask me to do something for them, I do it.
Okay. So you always do things for the ladies, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where you learn that from? That you must be nice to the ladies?
My mother and my father.
Your mother and your father teach you that you must be nice to the ladies, okay?
Yeah.
And when you're at school, you're not rude to the girls, or you don't say any bad things to them or anything like that, don't it?
Yeah.
And you think the other August man stay the same way, don't it?
Yeah.
You know what month your father born?
Not really. I don't remember.
You don't remember? You know what month your mother born?
I don't remember.
You don't remember, but you know what month you born, though?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, and which school you go to, Ricardo?
Marley Primary.
Marley. You love school?
Yeah.
Very good, and I want you to do well in classes, here.
Yeah.
Because you see, when you do good in a school,
Yeah.
you get all kind of chance to do some whole heap of good as things. You see it?
Yes. The school that I want to go is Glenmere.
It's Glenmere. Okay, why Glenmere?
Because there is very bright.
Okay, so you know, say, you do your GSAT already?
No, I don't do it already.
Or you're doing it next year?
Yeah.
Okay, you're studying hard for it?
Yeah.
Very good, because, you know, the people who do real well are the ones who study real hard for it. And if you want to go to a school like Glenmere, you have to make sure you do real well on your GSAT, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, Ricardo, where you say August month.
Can big up two people first?
Send on your thing, Ricardo. Send on your thing.
Big up Faith Lewis and big up Norman Simpson.
Faith Lewis is who?
My mother.
Oh, your mother and your father is Norman Simpson.
Yeah.
That's
and my brother is Sheppy.
What your brother name?
Sheppy.
Then how you get that name then, Ricardo?
No, I have to ask my mother.
You have to ask your mother. But a Sheppy, you know you call him for a long time, don't you?
Yeah, Sheppy and pet name.
Sheppy and pet name. Him older than you or him younger than you?
Older than me is 18.
Him 18. You love your brother?
Yeah.
Okay, him take care of you, don't?
Yeah.
Look out for you, that's good. I must take care of him too, yeah?
Yeah.
And take care of your family. And to wonderful Ricardo, you sound like a very bright young man. You sound brilliant. You sound sharp and sound like somebody who will do well on his GSAT because he will study very hard. And we know you're going to be a successful man who treat the ladies good. Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Big up the August man them. All right, Ricardo. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Ricardo said, when I talk about August man, I said, I don't know what I talk about. The man, Ricardo come defend the thing. Oh. You can't imagine him say, I said, Mommy, what am I talk about? Mama call, Mommy. Mama call and talk up the things, them. Because August me born and that on me. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, Raga.
Good morning.
Suhaila from Eden Avenue.
What your name?
10:30. Suhaila.
What?
Suhaila.
Suhaila?
Yes, it's a Arabic name.
It's an Arabic name.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so I never hear that the name.
Well, they can get that it.
Mine, you just make up the name, you know.
No, that's my name is Suhaila Latosha Jones.
Suhaila
Latosha
Jones.
Right.
Then Latosha, no. I never hear that one. I never hear that one there yet, neither.
Right. Well, my father give it to me and passed away.
Okay. Why him that make the thing really original, eh?
Right. He's a Rasta man too.
Okay.
But I'm not a Rasta girl.
But your name Suhaila.
They said I'm a Virgo, September.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice people.
I have to agree. I have to agree.
Not mean at all.
Eh?
And the October man them no mean because my little father born October and they give me the world.
No, but it's just one person that.
Well.
You don't know no other October man.
My son also born the 15th of October.
Uh-huh.
No mean either.
Him not mean?
No.
Well, that's because you modeled kindness to him and that must have nothing to do with the month. Him probably just learned to be kind from you and your baby and your father and him father.
The August people them no mean either and them nice. Them have a little ignorance problem, I must admit.
August people have a temper problem.
Right.
I agree.
When them get in a temper, you know you can't do nothing to stop them.
Trust me.
Mm-hmm.
Me know. Well, let me be careful. But me, every August somebody me know, them have a temper there.
Right.
And them little bit selfish too, you know, don't it?
The one August girl that side of me, I say no go so. But I true because she have a temper too.
But here how she has said. Me over here say August woman have a temper. She over there say, I lie, no go so. No go.
She name Rafida Robert.
But she over there show the temper, see me.
Yeah? All right. Anyway, Raga, I want to big up some people.
Send on.
I want to big up my baby father, Sean, from Galloway Road, a boiling peanut porridge. Yeah.
But hold on, what me tell me something I know. Why your baby father drink peanut porridge? Is there a particular reason why I'm drinking?
No, I'm not drinking it. Him a boil it and sell it. I'm in a Raga.
Him boil peanut porridge and sell it?
Yeah.
What peanut porridge do for you?
I don't know what it do for you.
No, what peanut porridge do for people when they drink it?
It's strong up them back.
It's strong up them back?
Yeah, you know, see them when them a drink fruits, them put it in it.
Okay.
You
so,
never know that, Raga.
No, me just ask, you know, me just ask. So peanut porridge strong up your back?
Yeah, your nerves, sweet build your nerves too.
And when your back strong, you perform good, don't you?
All right. Can't stay upon it long.
Okay, all right then. All right, you take care, yeah?
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, bless you. Stay upon it long. I want to break with soon.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. And I don't know the thing set up out there now. Local government elections are in and thing. Well, we say big up all PNP, big up all JLP, and peace and love one, because you don't know, say it is necessary to have an electoral process. We need our elections, you know. Hallmark of what we call a democracy, but we just have to do it peacefully, see? So anybody out there right now who listen to the show, you probably, I think, forgive it to the people from the other party, certain way in terms of violence, a little arms or something. Do me a beg on the wallet down, see? Don't bother with it. I could do the thing peaceful and thing, all right? Proper thing. Big up Sister P, big up the driver. Now watch nothing. Big up Mama, big up the driver, big up Paul Green, big up Paul Orange. Well, orange, yellow, and red. I don't know if PNP have a whole heap of color over there. See? Straight piece we are dealing with. I want to say big up to Swallowfield crew because I love on the prop up the thing. Swallowfield crew down there, so Swallowfield community, PNP and JLP live loving. Diehard PNP down there, diehard JLP down there. And anytime you drive past Hope Road, you see the green and you see the orange and people are walk back and forth and think the wine or jam. Swallowfield, Jan on the proper. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said Jayot.
Well, my day I got you, you know.
Why, first time I called for your program, Jayot.
Cool, man. Now, where you hail from?
I hail from Agri Park Road.
All right.
This month thing,
yeah.
I don't really believe in this month thing still in Raga. Because them say January man, them nice. Some say them mean. We know them always say me mean still. But nobody now say we born in the hardest month of the year. Because we always see them say January month of the hardest month of the year.
Wait, why is January month the hardest month of the year? Why?
Why it coming like to everybody spend most people spend half their money in a Christmas. They always say the hardest month of the year. We don't know for that.
No, but what is it? Well, yeah, go on talk.
Me kind still, you know, but you can't kind to everybody, you know. Most of the people, you have 10 somebody, all right, you come in on Friday evening. You have 5 women, and the 5 of them are big. You might get one up the road, you get one down here, so you get the next one. You can't give everybody. So them always say, boy, you mean you never not figure nobody yet. But you can't kind to everybody.
Well, I don't know. No, what you just say interesting, you know. What is interesting about what you say? It's like you make a point, but your focus is on the limitations in giving everybody money.
Right.
But in making a point, you just in passing say, yeah, if you have 5 women, you can't get. So it's like having 5 women is a normal thing. That is not even an issue right there.
5 women, I don't mean 5 women where you're there with still, you know. Them know you but as a friend.
Oh, see.
You just see and say, beg you 50 or beg you 100 or buy me an ice cream or a piece of chicken, and you can't meet all of them demands.
You see it.
So them always that's what you mean.
But so, what you think? So some women understand that out there, right?
Yeah, right.
And you are say from December now. You know, January, you always spend off this and that and whatever. So by January.
People, so me I say probably that's why they must say January month that they are this
but
month.
Then but another month, they uno fair get something then. No, that time January people fair get something. The uno birthday month that.
That me I say.
So probably uno get less because like money spent off in December, don't it?
That again.
And people not really understand what uno go through, don't it?
Me always hear my boss say your mother born March.
Yeah.
My mother born March too, you know. And the two of we have the same problem. One of the same problem with the mother.
Which is what?
She has to fear her mother. It no matter how much things you buy can go here. Give her the money. And I see stuff my mother steal.
No care how much things you buy go give her. She still want the money.
You don't give her nothing. Not even food. Give her the money.
And money she... So wait a
yesterday me call her, you know. Because she always, I think she call your program regular too.
Your mother...
And me I said to her...
Wait, what your mother name?
She name Miss Callis.
Miss Callis?
From over Hilltown.
I
mean, no, she listen now.
All right.
So go I said to her, I said, them not, you know, hear them say nothing about macho man. She said, no. Me say, you know, hear them say nothing about macho man. They say, yes, they say they're nice. Me say, they love money. She laughed. She said, that's a me.
So weird. So your mother own up that straight?
Of course she own it up.
Said much woman love money. And you know no problem I say attack it on the radio say your mother is a money loving woman.
No sir, then she not admit the fact.
Okay.
Yeah.
She don't make no apology for loving money.
No apology.
Okay, all right.
Me never saw all of them say, but me not too really in the month thing.
But you say your boss mother say... Your boss
mother is same thing.
I same thing. The mother macho man and love money. Okay.
Love money.
But tell me something. You probably can't help me with this before you go. Would they talk about, you know, month and personality and how people stay? But most of the thing will come out is who kind and who not kind. In other words, when I hear is your personality have a whole heap of areas to it, you know, when make up who you are, you know.
Yeah.
But once you at say define that person or how that person is, the first thing most Jamaicans are got to is whether the person give you or not. What you think about that? What go on this?
Boy, let me tell you, say I know. Yes, everybody talk about who kind. Yeah, but whole heap of that things. Yeah. people in every month, as me say, me can't really say the month here, people that and this. In every month, because me I listen to your program, and everybody I say, some people I say, this a month here kind, and one next set of cards say the same month, they mean. So, that me I tell you, so me not really, not even a mean and kind thing, but in everything you have good and bad, every month.
All right, Papa.
Yeah. Someone you big up Miss Callis over here, I know she listen to that.
Every time Mama Callis now watching nothing, you love your money without apology. I just saw it steer ya.
Yes, it.
All right, take care, King.
All right, God bless.
My respect, sir. Manners. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you, Raga?
Why when the day I go through?
Jackie here.
Who?
Jackie.
Oh, Jackie, what's up?
Nothing much. I true what them say about the July people, them you know, they lie.
July?
Jesus, Raga.
Yeah?
We know plenty people who are born July, I mean, I tell you.
Yeah. Most of July people are not tell.
All of them women know lie.
No, but somebody said the reason why them said that about July are true, the name of the month end with lie.
No, I don't think it's not because it end with lie.
You don't think
lie.
Then just tell lie. You didn't know who you know about July? Where you
know plenty people. Me have niece, me have family. Me know plenty people.
And the July one them just lie.
The July one and lie.
Just lie. And you believe that you believe say it have something for the. It's too much of a coincidence that the whole of them born the same month.
Only
and tell
with
lie.
the July, me can't say it's a coincidence with all of them will lie.
What you mean?
All of them.
Oh, you mean with the July people them?
Yeah. Me have no problem with any other month. But the July, me I tell you.
The July people them.
All of the July.
Okay.
Them.
Why you know? Is there you don't know anything about any other month?
No, really. You know, me born June.
You born June.
Yeah.
Oh, you stay. Tell me the bad qualities where you are.
Bad quality?
Yeah.
Me can be very nice and me can be very miserable.
You can be miserable. What else? Because I'm not asking the nice thing, you know. Everybody know them nice quality. Where people tend not to know is them bad
quality.
quality.
Be very terrible.
Terrible, oh.
If you put me in the position to be terrible,
yeah.
Me be the devil.
You be the devil. Do all some wicked things, no?
Yeah, man.
All right, cool.
If you put me in the position.
For real?
But me can be very nice.
Okay, then. Yeah. All right, then. Bless up here. All right, Jackie. You take care. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Is it true that once you know the month where somebody born, you can know all kind of things about them? Here we go. Morning.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Raga, we have against December woman.
What that?
We have against December woman.
December? I don't have anything against December woman.
Me born December in a Raga.
December woman, let me tell you, you're nice, you know, but you have a terrible temper.
Me not, you know, say I true that.
Right. You're very passionate too, you can't get enough. Don't that is true, to talk it up. Don't that, all right, you know, talk up. All right. I'm going to say, I want to love money. Yes. December woman love money too. Yes. Tomorrow I still my birthday, so I'm careful. Yes. And December, but you own it, say December woman love money.
Yeah.
All right, may I tell you something now? You're going to say this weird. Mm-hmm. But I find this of December and Leo woman, and I don't know why. It may going to sound weird, you know. But every Leo woman I know, and every Sagittarius December woman I know, their backs are very sensitive.
Their what?
Them back.
Okay. Okay then.
So
you can't say nothing about that.
Why? That's true? Is your back very sensitive here? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
But I just that my car for say to you, because you want to know what you have against December woman.
I don't have nothing against December woman. Nothing. But I just happen to know I always said there are 4 Leo women I know and 4 December women I know. And it was just amazing to me how I like the 4 December women and the 4 Leo women are.
Oh, all right, then.
You see it? All right? Yeah. Bless up here. Enough respect. Yeah. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, I'm Michelle.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm Michelle. And I'm just starting to say what they talk about August, man.
Yeah.
It's not true because my boyfriend born August 12. And I'm telling you, that's not true at all because he's very loving. And April girl, I want to talk about.
Hold on, 1 second. Is your radio on?
Huh?
there's a radio that's on. Could they turn it off or you go away from it, please?
All right.
All right. Hello? Hello? How happened? Oh, it look like when radio turn off, our phone turn off. All right, well, we'll have break with Suko. Go and sip some of that mint tea, yeah?
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Check. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing. Yeah, like have the mic over there, sir. Yeah, man, welcome back up in the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly. See, you don't know Ragashanti Live, the program name, and we're there from 9 o'clock until 12 o'clock every day during the week. And the issue for the week right now is it true that once you know the month where a person born, you can know all kind of things about them? The internet is not working today. We don't know what's going on. The computers. Why, every now and then we have a little problem with the computers here and things like that. But one day, it will, particularly at the end of the semester, when you need the computers, them always are brought down. I don't know why, in terms of we are managing grading and all them something there and thing. But it happens all the time. Toward the end of the semester, the computer then brought down. Don't know why. And quick email. But we will read some of the email with a copy off from yesterday, okay? Hi there, Raga. Your program sell off. Leave Reggae alone. His voice sounds so nice and sexy. What do you think about that, Reggie? Okay. Typical Reggie, like him, don't even move. Why do you love the trouble Ruth so much? Your program sold off on Fridays. It's funny when people that use the grammatically correct thing, Well, it's the past, so. With those two comedians, I couldn't get any work done. Keep up the good work. Merry Christmas from Terry Too Nice in Mandeville. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Raga.
Yeah.
Yo, why is that born bad lamp for July people?
Who do that?
You lady call named Jackie.
Yeah, Jackie. No, but she said she know only for July people and she said and lie. A July you born?
Yeah, man, a July I'm born, man.
No, talk the truth. You don't tell enough lie. Talk the truth where God love. You don't tell a wally for lie.
No, man, I don't tell
talk the truth, man. You know one of them, Gina. You said before you tell lie, you don't say nothing.
Yeah, man, before I tell a lie, I don't say nothing, man. I don't talk, man. You are born bad lamp for July, man.
What you say? Are you rude for that, no?
Yeah, I say, man. Tell me here, I say, me help you big man for that. She talk about one a bad lamp she born there.
You didn't listen to the program yesterday?
Yeah, I say, man.
Why some other people yesterday? You know, one woman call and say she said July. She said June and August. She said, I don't remember, but remember July. She said, I think it was July. She said, terrible month, man.
Boy, I don't
she said, oh, no, not nice. Tell me true. You know one of them original woman out there?
No, sir.
Tell me, you know drawing a card for woman out there?
No, sir.
You not can woman. You not can woman.
Sometime, man.
You can.
I take as a habit, that's it.
Okay, now we get it somewhere. So you say you can sometime. Like what kind of can you run now?
Huh?
What kind of can you run now?
What kind of can you run?
Yeah, pan woman.
Well, I got better than two. More time now, I said, I buy them all a phone card.
Yeah.
You see me, I say?
Uh-huh.
We have all the money in pocket. Buy all the card and then just put it on my phone and say, right, it's not my money to buy a card. I can them sometime, man.
Oh, you can them sometime. Okay.
Yeah, man, but I take care of the habit of it.
So you're not a regular liar?
No, sir.
So what you say, you tell the truth most of the time?
Yeah, man.
You're sure?
Yeah.
All right, then. You know any other July people? You know any other July people?
Yeah, man. I know some July people, some will lie and some will tell the truth. But I don't know a youth about December, Raka.
Yeah.
And in lie, Raka, you even tell a run, you better walk, man.
But I just him alone, it's not a regular thing.
I want whole heap of them.
You know
band other month and then lie and
yeah, okay then.
That's the man.
All right then, Papa.
Now I big up Gideon in a century, that's it.
Big up where?
Gideon in a century.
Gideon?
Yeah, man, in a century.
Gideon?
Yeah.
Okay. In a century. Okay.
Yeah, big up more people, yo, Gideon regular, listen your program with DNA,
No, when me just want to say enough respect to everybody who listen, but you have to kind of understand, say, that is that name when me just never really, a whole heap of people never hear about Gideon. But right now.
Just write it down, Raga, man. I'm big with
Right, so just write it down. Ruth, write this down. Giddy Hall. Okay, Giddy Hall in St. Elizabeth. Big up Giddy Hall. Now watch nothing, man. Straight respect. Giddy Hall upon the map, right? Who this? Who? Me know your name.
Bahil.
Oh, all right then.
Yeah, man. All right.
All right, yeah, man. Bless you.
All right.
Here we go. Top of the morning to you. I want to call people turn off on the radio. Good
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, man. Good morning.
Raga?
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, the program,
Cool, baby.
You know how long I get here?
Talk up the
Mr.
things.
Raga, I tell all of the regular caller them this post. Say anytime I get my S, me not come outside. Before me I talk about Raga. House phone. Anytime I get my house phone, Raga, me not come outside.
You not come outside?
Me not come outside. Raga 3 at 9 to 12. Nothing other caller I get no try with my door. Raga, when me get it.
And when you get your phone, baby? When you get your phone?
My mother same way.
Eh?
And thing. I shouldn't really want to get my own house phone and thing.
What make?
Me have to wait till me move out and thing, Raga. Rent too high now, but me still live with her and I go on. Sorry.
Okay. Then why should I want? Then you would have to pay your own bill them?
Yeah, man, but me I tell you some alright, so I don't know I'm comfortable. I'm on my own space and thing.
Nice.
But me don't really want to put out the house phone, spare phone, because I have some sister, Raga, them, a phone, take them there.
The sister them are what?
Send up the bill.
The sister them are what? The sister them are take with them?
Phone, tete.
Oh, phone tete them.
Them love when them go for phone, them now come off.
So them are going to rinse your phone anyhow you get your phone, no?
Raga, I'm all here though.
Them are going to rinse your phone anyhow you get your phone, you think them.
Raga, them want to them, want big them up, them large from Della Creeper, want big them up because every day I tell them about Raga. When them go to school every time, them come tell them what happened, what go down.
Yeah.
Go see when they come from comedy bus for the Raga before they even step out of the bus.
Yeah.
Me know see you I will start screaming out. I was say a BS fuck me down at Della Creeper.
Cool now, baby.
Anyway, about the man thing. I don't know much things more and tell about Bun and Can, but them they have to go see us.
No man, talk to him, man.
No man, let me tell about the man thing now, Raga.
Yeah.
January man them.
Yeah.
I the meanest set of man them there.
January man.
Must come and them spend off their money. But they mean, Raga. But it's February man, Raga.
Yeah.
My baby father February in bar.
Yeah.
I ask February, but they have October. Like, woman, them have October.
Yeah.
Can see October, woman, them demanding. They love money. They love them thing. They love them starters.
Okay.
They love money and them demanding. You see, man,
October woman love money and them love them starting on.
Them love them starting out.
See?
And them demanding and them weird. Anything them want, them have to get it.
October woman them.
Yes. But
okay.
Man, no Raga in February.
Yeah.
I'm so Raga, you see what I'm getting to you?
Yeah.
You must give me who I is.
No. Well on. What you say? Your man give you the whole line pay.
February. And when him getting pay, you must give me the whole life. I don't want him working a Raga.
You
sure? You spend $1 outside.
Yeah.
You must tell me how it's spent. Him tell me say if him pay him bus fare. If him buy one party, he must tell me everything.
What man?
Spend $1.
Him can't spend $1 if him buy a party. He must.
Bad, and my sister them don't know the techniques and the tactics.
I will talk up the things them, baby. So tell me the technique. Tell me some of my techniques them now.
Raga, yeah, for good like that.
What?
I know them here.
Oh, you mean like? Hold on. Then no, hold on. Hold on, baby. Hold on. No. Wait, what me can call? What name I can call you? Nikki from Della Cree. What me I say, Nikki? Enough people are listen right now. Enough man are listen and I say, oh, I idiot man that. Any man hold on, Nikki. And I say, any man are work and then give him woman the whole line money. And not only give her the whole line money, but if him buy a party, he have to spell it out to you. Yeah. If him spend $1, he have to spend it out to you. Like you control him. Them are going to say, no, the man, they are idiot, man. What you have to say about that?
No, the man, my man, I tell you, my man, I really bad. I'm really bad man. I'm not pushing one thing. I'm on thing.
Yeah.
But in next, Raga, you have to know how to treat them and them and know how to good them up, give them what them want, tell them what them want, hear, love them up, good, and be something. Actually, I no reason why I'm sure to give me more than pay. The man, they all the Raga, they not get experience, so man, experience. So why them see them woman, they give them them all of them tea. But I tell us, man, one Raga, him give me everything because I'm sort him on, not only sort out. I'm in a time, I use a time method, time not work. I'm not try that. You just have to natural and good like that.
So what you say is based on the way you treat a man, because you say you're a real man. But because how you treat him so good, him not have no problem I give you the whole line paycheck.
No, him not have no problem. But Raga, he's a real con artist, you know, Raga. Me give him bump, you know. But I'm make him know, say, it's a guana, no. You see, every minute, Raga, 24/7, him call me, Liz, where there? Liz, where there? You there, so. Raga, one time, they have Burger King in the night. I'm little dancer, other little man, he came out and sing this man from Uptown and sing. And him call me, you know, Raga. Because he live over here with me, you know.
Who live over there?
He call me at middle night. Liz, where are you?
You tell him, say, hold on. You tell him, say, you better sleep.
Yeah.
That the time you're there at Burger King with the hype man from Uptown.
Yeah, we look at that and sing. We seen that and sing. Burger King across, but I kill him dead, Raga. I not give him a bone.
But yeah.
Raga, I look good. I'm a man sing, but I'm a main man, do you know? I'm a main man. So, but other man also Raga, me
Yeah, Oh, yeah. Hold on. Oh, you know, describe your body to it. Describe your body.
Lord Jesus, what I've seen is believing. I don't want to talk it for me.
Bro, what me I say now? Hold on then.
I'm going to have 2 children. I'm going to belly flat and put the same way. And it's something good. Like it never touched before. Yeah, Raga, me
I will sing Madonna sing. What I sang the Madonna sing? Like a virgin. The tune them have your week, though.
Yeah, what's them? Oh, look at that. Them have the flu, no. Them ever there from middle, but them call from middle, but they are a big meal from the people.
I was in.
Why them have the flu, no, and them are lay down and sing. Yeah, them, yeah, my sister, no. Liz, never say mommy can't tell them. Mr. Raga, she don't have no problem. Mr. Raga, yeah.
Cool now, baby. Well,
anytime none else turn up on the radio, I was to see it. You know what? When come a Raga, no problem.
All right, well on there. We'll take a break and come back to you, yeah? Don't move. We'll come back to you.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect, and we have a juggle back to a caller, you know. Yeah, baby.
Hello?
Yeah, man, what may I say? Wait,
Where's the Raga?
No, man, who this?
This is Nikki.
Oh, yeah. What may I say?
Change of the voice. We have the customer service voice. I'm have all kind of voice for con man too. I have the voice for con man too.
What you say you have the customer service voice?
Yeah, I'm have the foreign voice. I'm have the yard voice.
All right, hold on. Okay. Talk to me with the customer service voice now.
Hello, good morning.
Bop. Hold on. Wait, what the other voice again? What you say the other voice?
African.
Make we hear the foreign voice now.
The foreign one?
Yeah, which one?
The foreign one similar to the customer service voice too.
Okay.
But if you want African, we get African.
Make we hear the African now.
Yeah, Raga.
Make we hear the African now.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me no want you take out the canteen them. I know me can't go play none for no man.
No, but no.
But I know say woman have all sorts of voice so.
No, but I mostly woman listen to the show. That's why we hear the African and that's the one.
Raga says she want to hear the African. Raga say I want to. Hey, Raga. You here?
Yeah.
You hear me, Raga?
Yeah.
I can't stop listening to your program here. It's a sailor, Raga. Your program sailor. It's a
But wait.
Yeah.
Nikki, what may I say though? Some people are listening here say you have a good man who bring up the whole line paycheck and thing and everything sort and them gonna say then why you still about him?
Raga is not like me a bunny man. It's other man out there, them like me. And it's just sometimes it just hard to say no to them. I not give them nothing in a Raga. I not give them nothing do.
Oh,
and then the man them out there, Raga, I not talk about little dirty DB, broke down man.
Okay.
I talk about, Raga, I want to hear this thing too.
Yeah.
I want to tell her this thing.
Senna.
I used to go one art school. We do the customer service and things.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello. This what my road. I road see if you can make back that link. There's something at me right there. So yeah. Okay. Boy, she full of vibe. Customer service vibe is bad. All right, I could go to another call. We see if we can get her back and take her. She full of vibe. She not easy. Customer service voice, African voice. But she make a good qualifier there, you know. She said she don't. I don't know how she define burning. But she said she don't give them anything. But she obviously take things or something like that. I don't know. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello, morning, Raga.
Yeah, my morning.
How are you?
How many days I got you?
I haven't talked to you for a good while. This is LF.
LF, what's up?
I'm here.
All righty.
I'm here listening to you, enjoying the program as usual.
All right.
But, I'm wondering if this is this topic is really basing on money.
Why? Why you wonder?
People is just calling about who is mean, as you was just saying, and who is kind. But why sometimes you ever think about somebody who is genuine, who maybe don't have a lot of money to give to any and everybody?
Who is nice, who is caring, who is sensitive, and so forth.
Think about the money
who love church, who whatever, other things.
Yeah,
but why you think most Jamaicans focus?
The program is just like just basing on just money. If you don't have money to give, it's all about that.
But don't you see we are in discussing this topic and allowing people to talk about different personalities and the supposition that you have some correlation with months and them thing there. That the fact that people are talking about this, but them are bring up money thing. You see how it reveals a lot about the Jamaican character.
And just money wise.
But when we say that a reality out there. But you don't think that a reality out there that you can have all them nice quality, but as far as Jamaica go, you have to have your money.
Yeah, it is reality, and there's nothing we can't do without that. But at the same time, a lot of us make that our first priority. You understand? If a man needs a man, you go out there, it's like you just want to dig deep in a man's pocket to know how him stay.
You see it.
You understand? But at the same time, the person can have it, and you don't even know, and the person have a lot of quality even behind his money.
Yeah.
What happened to some of those who have the money and don't have quality?
Exactly.
You understand?
Because look how much people I get. Look how much people I get the money. Hold on. Look how much people I get the money and them life unhappy and them suffer.
But what I'm saying, a lot of people who have them money, then live in them big house and have them nice, decent car drive, have a loving wife at home, even the husband, and still go astray.
Exactly. And still abuse people and all them something. They still neglect children and them something. Yeah. Right.
Understand? So for me, it don't really base on money.
You see?
Yes, some month. I don't know if the month have nothing to do with it, but I think it's just the quality of the person.
Right,
and the type of person the person is.
So you don't think month have anything to do with the personality where somebody come out with?
Well, for me, I believe in the month sign. When I read about my sign, I'm a Pisces person.
Right.
And when I read about my sign, it's telling me exactly about me every day.
What you say? It's spot on.
If any day I take up the paper, today from now until the weekend.
Yeah.
And when I read up my sign, it's telling me about me.
And it always goes so. Yes.
Right. It's
for real.
Always about how I stay.
Okay,
right?
okay.
I'm a person. I'm not gonna lie. I love money.
Yeah.
But I love it in a sense. I will work for mine.
Right.
I will accept what I get.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to dig deeper than how I supposed to go.
Okay.
But that young lady who said, boy, fair man work all that money can come game. Trust me, can't see through the one day. You understand?
Yes,
because if a man got to go work hard, they're not supposed to carry on your money come through and get a woman just so.
Say that again. Say that again.
Straight up.
Say that again.
Him work hard for that.
Yeah.
You understand? If I'm having responsibility and I'm out and in family to take care of, and my fair money to get that different.
You see?
But I'm not supposed to come to throw down your money, come get.
All right, let me ask you something. Why you think about them woman then? You have say so. Hold on. Me ask.
In the line, but at the same time, sometimes not gossip.
But let me ask you
and
something.
At the same time, I don't know.
Let me ask you something. What you think about the situation where a man knows him work hard for fame money, right? And woman have just come casually say if you give them this and give them that. And true, you know hard you work for your money. And true, she said this a woman and not necessarily a deal with nothing. And you just tell her, I said no. And whatever. And then she a walk and I said the man mean and all them things.
Most women say man mean.
Yeah.
Because I say, a man not having family at home, a lot of responsibility come behind it, right?
Yeah.
And you have a one girl or a two girl out there, knowing that's a man thing then.
Yeah.
You see a girl and you like her. It's like, she know, all not fair it say yes, in come on strongly to her and treat her nice at first. She see what she can get out time. Because that's the thing nowadays with a lot of women out there, especially the younger girls.
Especially the younger girls.
Yes.
It's all about what them can get out of the man.
What I notice, what is happening is that most of them men deserve any bad treatment them get from the younger girls and them put it in them way. Because
why you say that?
Because those are the type of girls them really want to flirt around with.
Okay.
They don't want nobody who have responsibility who are going to turn to them for a night dinner, a month rent or whatever. They want to provide stuff for them girl who can do all kind of stuff for them.
Okay.
They don't want somebody who is caring, responsible, look out for them, just think about them right through. They don't want that. Them
so are you saying that the younger girls them well on, are you saying the younger girls don't know how to be caring and responsible?
No, they do know.
Huh?
They take this advantage of the older men who come on to them strongly.
Okay.
You understand? And then tends to find means of ways of getting their attention all focused onto them.
I see.
And at the same time is that the man them get paranoid and just sitting and think about just the younger girls them.
Okay.
But later down in life, them don't realize that it is just a fun thing.
Okay.
With the younger girls, them after a while, they don't want to see them again. Them tired of them and just wanting them to focus on. If you listen to even the younger guys, them now, they don't want no young girl. They want a bigger man.
Oh, saying?
They take it to work 2 ways.
All right.
You understand, sir? Me don't believe in this. At the moment, may have something to do with something because definitely I wouldn't talk to an August man because of my daddy.
Okay. Because of your father, what you say not?
Him treat ladies.
Yeah.
Him abuse women.
Yeah.
That made me wouldn't talk to an August man because me just feel all August man stay.
Okay.
He's a loving, caring person and we give it to him, but he have to really check fear.
All right then.
You understand, sir?
All right then, blessing then. Here.
All right.
And respect for your contribution.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me read an email here now. Raga. What a go on. First, I must say that lady on Monday who is a rape victim. First, I must say that the lady on Monday who is a rape victim. I love how you were calm and understanding with her. I understand what she's going through, even though I'm not a victim. You don't really always have to be in a person's situation to know what they're going through. I really hope it will get better for her. What I was wondering is if outsiders come on the campus and rape the ladies, or is it those who are on campus? I don't know. I know there's a lot of cases outsiders. I do know that, but I don't know what's going on campus. If it is outsiders doing it, I continue read, it can't they set up the campus like a gated community where no outsiders are allowed? And if outsiders really have to go there, let them give the security information as to which area the person they are going to is and full name of the person, or set up an intercom into every area and announce it over the intercom, both the name of the visitor and the name of the student. There's some security measures in place, like you're not supposed to enter like residence halls just like that. You have to, pass security and so forth. I don't know. But then that exists now. And I continue to read her email. I get to understand that outsiders support the busy places on the campus, but do they have to with so many students and teachers there? I don't know. I'm just making a suggestion because something needs to be done on the campus. I think you're supposed to be protected after paying so much money. When you are raped, you are scarred for life, and I think all the nice time you and your spouse have together, I feel the rapists wipe them out and put nightmares there. I really feel it for those women. Raga, continue to do the work you're doing. We're tired We're tired of listening to dirty politics. Who want to devote their ears to dirty politics? You send them to another station. When I listen to those stations, I don't have anything to laugh about. Your show is a mixture. I'm happy you will play the Snake Show for me. Love you, Raga, and what you're doing. Go and sip your minty. Anyway, blessings and respect. Okay, the news is coming at you right now, and of course we'll come back and juggle a thing to see, and we'll soon come.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti. Top of the morning to you. If you're just joining us, you don't know we're gone 2/3 of the show already. Now, last hour with the writer now. And the issue of the week is it true that once you know the month where somebody born, you can know all kind of things about them and so forth? Nikki, why they call it cut off if you can't call? What the front desk number, yes, sir? 970-2345 and leave your number and thing. Some of my people let me try reach you back. You see? Again, what is that route? She always a right stuff on. Yes, Nikki, out of Della Creek, give her a shout up on the line there and leave your digits. Roots say you must do it. Roots, Nikki, Roots say you must call. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Morning, Robert.
Morning.
What's up?
Boy, I'm in a day. What going on with you?
First time on your program.
Yeah, man, that's so we like it. You know, I'm bringing the first time callers and thing, yeah?
Yeah, man, but the man, we ban them month now.
Yeah.
Today we don't want to come on the ban August. I mean, I know if I saw him steer about him jealous, you see?
In jealous?
Yeah, and guess what? I never see a man.
And I never hear a man?
No.
I did do for man?
Why that woman?
Why not that woman?
Yeah.
But you did there with him?
Yeah.
But you know who him there with, though?
If he's no walk with fly up on the road, and he might come and see me, he might pass me like he don't see me.
Because him vex because the fly there with you?
Eh? He looks so.
Okay, but tell me something now.
Yeah.
So you did, the other woman who him did there with, like what, that was him straight up woman?
Baby mother. Huh?
Baby mother. So wait, you didn't know, so you were just a woman on the side?
Yeah.
Oh, see? So you did cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I love it. It's when you have something good, then I want to let you go, but then I love, you know what I say, like the other woman on the side, I've no other man.
Okay.
Yeah.
As a man stay in general?
Eh?
Man stay in general, the woman with them have on the side, them no want to know so that woman that there with anybody else?
Yeah, if once I give them something.
Or once I give them things?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I like it.
Okay, that's the key?
Yeah.
Okay, and he was
But Raga, me born December, you know, and me admit to me Ginal.
You're Ginal, okay.
Me admit it.
What date of December you born?
7. Big me up Friday I come, yeah?
Wow, your birthday at the 7th, cool, no?
Yeah.
All right, and you say you Ginal?
No man out of this world.
But tell me something now, you know any other December woman?
Yeah.
And them Ginal too?
Wall away.
So you say...
I have one friend born at 12. You say?
What, tell me now?
Huh?
What you say, friend born at 12, what?
No, man, we just... I don't like that we born to do.
You look like a that December woman born for do, for just Ginal, don't?
Yeah, I mean, I admit, me not hide no.
Well, I respect the honesty there, I think. Yeah. Enough people love tell about the nice thing, and I want to tell about certain things.
You see, I admit, but you see, when it comes to nice, we're nice, you know.
Yeah.
I'm silent.
Yeah.
Undercover.
Yeah.
But if you put me on the wrong side, you
put me, you know. So when they say like a Ginal, now, give us some example like a Ginal ship where you run. What one of the wickedest Ginal ship you ever run? One of the roughest Ginal ship you...
Anything you can think about, anything.
No, but...
Any Ginal.
But, I mean, just give me an example. Give me one of the wickedest can where you run.
The wickedest one, the baby can.
The baby can. How that one they run now?
Huh?
How that one they run?
Just tell him I'm pregnant.
Okay.
Yeah, and a couple of weeks me lose it.
And then you lose your baby. Yeah. So you work that one there too?
Yeah.
And thing. All right.
Whole leave.
But you just believe a December woman, in your estimation, December woman, them just Ginal, good panny.
Them good panny, Raga.
So you'd advise me to be careful of a December woman?
Well, you don't know.
Eh?
You know, they with that Ginal, you don't know, though.
Eh?
They with Ginal, you don't know, you know.
Well, that's true.
And it just make you run off and go on, you know.
That's true.
But me admit it it's original.
So December 1. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Anyway, Zaga.
Yeah.
Me married a crate more big up my mother.
Send on.
Auntie. The
Yeah.
name, we call her Auntie or Edna.
Okay.
From Shudley.
Okay.
Manchester.
All right.
And sister Teeny, she is right now.
Big up Teeny.
This is a baby, you know.
All right, Teeny, soon drop. Huh?
She had baby before me.
Okay.
Me not can now when I find out when I know.
All right.
Me not can.
All right.
I'm one big up Maxine, a.k.a. Yellow Page.
Maxine name Yellow Page.
Yeah.
Where she have everybody number?
Huh?
She have everybody number.
She know everything.
She know everything.
Everything.
So yellow, she had yellow.
You know everything.
All right, Maxine, a.k.a. Yellow Pages.
Yes, sir, I say.
All right, then bless up here.
Yep, I'm a car from village, you know.
Village.
Yeah, man.
Which village?
Central Village.
Central Village. Oh, big up Central Village massive scene. Windsor Heights to enough respect to all Spanish Stone Crew. Yeah, man.
Little bit Dean.
Yeah, man. Protection. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, man. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah.
My first time caller still.
Nice.
Yeah, but just a call concerning the matter about August man.
Yeah.
May I tell you, August man are the best man.
And why would you say that?
Yeah, because August man, them know them just treat people good. Them it a gear them last and them loving and them love to make love.
They
and
love
me like.
They love to. They would have give them last, right?
Yeah.
And it's August man love to make love, and it's that you like. What you mean? Them stamina thing just.
Yeah, man. Them can bear long. Them can go long. Them can last long out, man.
Okay, but
I love them.
Okay.
And the April girl, the April girl, nobody call her about April girl. Them not ramping. Them a kind of artist, you know.
Oh, I want you back. I want you.
Because it's night. No, but kind of for me still. Me love.
Bell. Wait, no, you know Winston Bell.
No.
Well, him come in and I go out with beer things to that studio because of August in band, and I say, yeah, I saw him staying there, my stamina daddy.
So tell him big up. Somebody like him, me want.
Somebody like Winston Bell.
I have somebody already.
Yeah.
Me just want to big him up.
So wait, then tell me something now. You look like you just love your thing regular.
Yeah.
Like
I love it regular.
How often? How often? How regular for you?
You know what? 2 times for the week. That me call regular.
2 times for the week that you call regular?
Yeah, I can't manage them more time. Love it, you know. When him a do it 3 round and singing.
So one time I like 3 round.
Yeah.
Say, oh, your man, that no kind of rough you up sometimes. Eh?
No, man, him drink him, man. Him drink him, no for make him love. And them kind of love them eat like.
So it sounds like you not just talk no one bam thank you. It sounds like you talk like romance.
Yes, sir?
It sounds like you refer to romantic thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Deep
things and pure niceness. But before my credit done,
yeah.
I just want to big him up from you and then Dean Treasure.
What him name?
Dean Treasure.
Dean, now watch nothing. Your girl rate you and say you know if you send her the thing proper. Cool, not Dean. I treasure him last name.
Yeah.
But what a name of that man that you gonna get to treasure? You look like you find your treasure.
We're married soon, too.
Oh, nice. When is the wedding?
Next year on the birthday, April 15th.
Oh,
I'm here planning him not say nothing like that.
You are planning the wedding?
Yeah, him not say nothing like that.
Then you feel plan the wedding and him
no
know
nothing. Want it anytime, man. He would want that.
But you know him want it and you not ask him?
Yeah, him tell me all the time.
Okay, all right then.
I'm big up him son, Javari.
All right then, blessings. Yeah.
I love you. I always listen to your program.
Enough respect, man. Thanks for that. Yeah. Read that email. Hey, Raga, I just want to say that I love your show. I started listening a month ago, and you have me going crazy in the office every day. That is, except on Monday. I've been having a very bad week, culminating with the demise of a wonderful relationship on Sunday. Oh, I'm sorry. I was feeling quite terrible when I went to work yesterday, and I almost started crying yesterday when the lady started talking about her rape. This is an email from yesterday. It hit very close to home for me because when I was 14 and 15, I was raped by 2 different people about a year apart. Both guys were people I had feelings for, and I have a very difficult time trusting men at times. I also have a sexual dysfunction. I think I am somewhat masochistic. No pain is too great for me to bear. I scared a guy one time because of this. Not a lot of people know what I've been through, especially my parents. And I don't like to tell guys because their reaction has been along the lines of, oh, I'm sorry you had to go through that. I never forced myself on a girl. So anyway, when can I get some? And then she put something else. It's hard for me sometimes, but I think I'll get through it with lots and lots of prayer. I've never had therapy. Anyway, God bless you, Raga. Big up Ruth and Reggie. Love you guys. Interesting thing here. And yes, for women who have been, for people, men and women who have been sexually abused, it is not unusual for them to prefer sadomasochistic forms of sexual interaction. We're going to hold a break. We'll soon come back.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Why am I not there?
First, my call, you know.
So it's set up.
One call for those biggie up, you know, because Raga, you're my boy, you know, man, every time.
Zin.
Love you, you know, Raga.
All right.
I want nothing to do you.
All right.
So I want you to take care of yourself. I want to big up my son, Michael.
Zin.
Michael Newell. Miguel Kennedy and my mother, Miss Getta from Galena, St. Mary, and
Okay.
Jody.
Where your mother name?
I Getta Murray from St. Mary, Galena.
Wait, one place that St. Mary and Galena.
Yeah, man, all the way me here, big up Port Maria, Rockabess, I never hear big up Galena.
Well, big up Galena. Up in a St. Mary. Love that name there, Galena. Wow, that name there work. Love that name there, Galena. All right, then. Blessings and respect. And everything proper and safe,
yeah,
right?
Man, the 13th of this month will be my birthday.
Nah, you're December woman.
Yeah, man, but December woman nice, you know, Raga. Me kind, me will give away my heart.
For real?
Yeah, but it's a January, man.
Yeah.
They say if they love you, they will love you, but they start a tight liquor.
Okay.
But it's September. Me deal with 2 September, man, already. I'm going to vice grip them, you know.
What? Then tight, then I give it.
Then tight.
September, man, mean.
Me say them, when me say them, not even prayers, they don't give it.
Not even prayer, September, man, give it.
The dog pregnant, they know if I pick them back next year, September, me go dash them away.
Voila, if your dog and puppy September, you can dash them away.
You go dash them away. Me say
them all September, man, there.
They mean, and they love people things that are giving out, you know.
Hold on. Oh, you mean September people love people things?
Me say the man them that talk about.
No, well, we don't know about that.
No, the man them mean.
No, September people who know them don't love people things.
Well, me the man them when me know the 2 man when me know Raga, they love people things and they not give no.
No, man, I too careless one you go buck up on, man. I too careless September, man, you buck.
Careless, man, I up the man me deal with.
I up the man you deal with.
Man, me good as in a Raga, me want me I can know you one day, watch nothing, me good as man.
You see it.
Yeah, man.
All right.
So, you take care of your sweet self now, you not watch no face.
All right, baby, enough respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Bless up. She say if I dog have puppy next year, September, she dash them. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I'd like to talk about the signs.
Yeah, man, talk up.
People keep talking about the month. It's not the month, it's a sign, because in January you have 2 signs.
Right.
Signs. So they talk about the month, but they should talk about the signs.
The sign.
The signs kind of shape your personality, but guess what now? Sometimes it's how you were raised, because I was like researching it for a long while. That means I have to, like, I know about all the months because I have to watch people. You understand?
You have to watch people.
Yeah, you find out this person's a Virgo, and you watch all Virgo, and you find the personality. Because you see, with Virgo people,
yeah,
they are driven. You see, if they say they're going to achieve something,
yes,
they are driven.
They
are determined people.
That's true. That's very true.
Yeah, and they are neat and clean. They like the place to be neat and clean.
Well.
Yeah, with Virgo.
Yes.
And they like to have fun. They have a time.
But they like it neat and clean. They don't necessarily want to do it themselves.
Yes, because they like to see the place, but not necessarily them. And then the men and the women are different, you know.
Oh.
In the signs, the men are different from the...
Oh, Virgo woman stay, you know.
You see, Virgo women, no, they are like relative the same, but they love likes.
Them love what?
They love people things.
Them love likes.
And them not good, them mean. I don't know about the men.
No, man, the Virgo woman, them women know kind.
They're hardworking people too, you know. They're hardworking.
But you said the Virgo woman, them love likes.
Yeah, but they're hardworking too, you know. They'll work for their things, but they love people.
Okay, which sign are the wickedest people?
You see, I'm telling you which one. You see, you have Libra. You see Libra? That is not, I don't know for the men, but for the women, Libra. You see Taurus, the bold one?
Yeah.
Stubborn people, them, that's one of them.
But it's a Libra woman, them wicked.
Yeah, man, and you have the Taurus, the bull people.
No, but the Libra, I know some Libra woman, I tell you, say them nice.
And them stubborn, you meet up on a good, and I'm telling you, sometimes, you were raised.
Okay, all right then, all right. So you think, say the month, the sign where somebody born under have a lot to do with who?
Yes, a lot to do with it.
You believe that?
Yeah, because you see, with some of the sign, because you see, with Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, that is an air sign. Then you have the fire sign, you have the water, you have the earth.
Right,
you understand?
Right.
You can shape them, but you definitely shape it because your personality, how you were raised.
And Leo and Sagittarius, them a fire sign, you know. That's why them so passionate and crazy, don't?
Yeah, Sagittarius and the Leo.
And the Leo, them. And Aries, those are fire sign,
and
Aries.
The Sagittarius sign, them really can con. If them for con, you stay con.
The Sagittarius people, then December people, when them go for con, don't it?
Because them tell us serious and, them price necessary.
Well, me know some December, me know, well, in the past, me know some, them a ball pan a can,
Yeah.
Them a ball pan a can, Me know 3 woman boy, me I tell you, them a can and them I tell you, I say, yeah, me a ball when that, now whatever,
Yeah. But the nice people, them too, can them do things and passionate.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, then. Bless up here.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, man, you take care. Email, hey Raga, what a go on, boss? Just a big up your show and send a few shout outs to a few people from Fargo Electronics in Montego Bay on the free zone. Big up Lana and Icy. Them 2 women, miss your show morning time. And them introduce me to it. P.S. About the month and if it has anything to do with a person's character. In some ways, yes. And then again, you have a typical and a non-typical person when it comes to signs. Example, typical Pisces, non-typical Pisces. That's how you really have to look at it. Also, the personality and qualities does not just go for one person. We all have a bit of something. Yeshua sell off. Big up Marie. I love our vibes. Coming from Greg in Montego Bay. Okay, next email. Most of them keep coming down on July, man, that they're a lie. Them for cut out them foolishness there. Furthermore, July ends with L-Y and not L-I-E. Month has nothing to do with anyone. You are the best thing on radio, Raga. Raga, this is Apollonia. I'm born January 8th, and I am not mean. I give what I can, and my friends can attest to that. Raga, if you are my friend and you are in need of it, it means that I have to borrow to help a friend in need, and that I will do. So tell that caller that is because he mean to the 6 persons who born January, or maybe I want him one. Anyway, okay, that was a caller yesterday who said no, 3 January woman who move, and 3 more January woman come in and they mean to. Next email. Hail my brethren, I want to know why people just crucify April, May, and July men. God bless their soul. I want to know about June men too. Okay, that's from Martin. Next one, Morning Raga. November man mean. Them a con artists and them a mama man. August people are nice, hardworking, and know what they want out of life. That's coming from St. Mary and Port Maria. Next one, Dear Ragashanti. Boy, people seem very concerned with what they can get from people, eh? Why does meanness seem to be such a major cause for concern? Some people described as mean are maybe just not willing to be ripped off or to be seen solely as a source of material goods. I don't swear to anything astrological, but I tend to believe that Scorpio men are very intense, and I have a preponderance of friends and loved ones that are Cancerian. I used to be able to guess what month a person was born about 75% of the time, though I haven't tried to do this in a while. They just seem to look like the month. Don't ask me how. What about other qualities like sexiness, intelligence, and friendliness? That's from Bertina McCauley. Raga, me have a brother that born January, and Raga, may I tell you, the meanest man that me come across. Yo, him never have money yet, and him have a girl like beach have sun. But guess what? Him kind to him woman them, But to him family them, he mean like Starple. Big up yourself, Miss Cherry Washbelly. Raga, quick email. Someone just called me and asked about what happened to the New Yorkers today. So just big them up. Big up Surgeon BD White from New York. That's Ivan outside of New York. Yo, Raga, Leos are very charming and kind people. Me and my girl rule under the same sign and we are totally different. Only thing, she go on like she had the boss, but me just work with it. But when the lion roar, she have to calm her nerves. I just make her feel like she's in control. That I come from Chad. Next email. Hi Raga, I sent an email last Thursday. I did not go to work. I went on a little trip, so I asked the bus driver if he could just let me listen to your program. And the man put it on and then change it. I asked him why. He did not respond. I picked up the feeling he wanted to listen to Cashpot. I did not get to hear it. After a while, the station broke down. I just laughed in my mind. I ask you to big up the Hopewell Adventist Youth Choir. Please do it again because we sell off and not all July people tell lies. It has to be a life and death situation. But the men, my Lord, them good pan it. But if they love you, trust me, them love you. And them hardly want to spend them money. But big up all July massive. September people mean and lie. Trust me. Take care of yourself. Carmela from Hopewell, Hanover. Okay, we're going to take a break. We'll soon come back.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, yeah? The real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti and thing. Yo, man, we make a link back with Nikki, yeah? Yeah, we have Nikki on the line, huh? Nikki! Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, man.
Oh, Raga?
Yeah.
Yes, I was telling you about this thing that I'm doing. What do you reckon? You call me and say, Naked.
Well, I met them turn off the radio, yeah?
I just start from the radio. I just out the road.
I was saying. Yeah, man, what I did I say is that people never really understand when you say you give a man bun. Them things say, certain things go down. But when you say certain things not really go down.
Hold on, it's not really funny from talk to other guys, but then they get none of that.
Hold on there. Go somewhere else because your phone a crack up. Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I hear you now, yeah.
Yeah, my sir, it's not me that me give bun. I talk to other guys and I make them spend them money for me and stuff, but I don't really give them nothing.
I was saying,
see. I want to con them too.
You see it?
I tell about this time, Raga.
Yeah.
Me that go at this art school, me that do the customer service thing until.
Yeah.
But like it is over now, I put our dress up clothes the Friday because I was the last day and thing. But I long to my mother 7-day Adventist and thing. A long time I didn't want to go sell up, although I did that thing.
Yeah.
They still never allow me to go and thing, but a long time I want to go in a rubber.
Yeah.
So I say, Raga, anyways, no, I'm going to sell and thing. The Friday, because I have the after work exam thing.
Yeah, with IT.
Yeah, with IT and thing. I'm a sir, Raga, I did it, I'm say, me do think other people in the club, them look working class and thing. I'm say, Raga, this brother come in, They say the boy look good, the boy good. This man businessman and thing, but I never really know what small eyes me or what I'm stand up in this. I stand up at the bar part there, so.
Yeah.
So anyways, no, Raga, I'm not really dance one and think I have this bagger, this handbag.
Yeah.
And me just say to me, I class, everybody must think I work, me I come from and thing, although I never work now, nothing. Anyways, no, Raga, because be working people in there and thing,
Yeah.
You know, then come over and he's like, hi, and I'm like, hello. And I put on customer service guys, tell him I'm thinking, Raga.
Wait, you give him the customer service voice?
Yeah, I'm like, hello. And no, I'm not hello, kind of phone with that phone.
Yeah.
He said, hi, and I'm like, hi. And I said, what's your name? I'm giving my wrong name. I said, Simone. And I said, Simone is a lovely name. I said, you really think so? But my friend said, boy, I look good in the Raga.
Yeah.
You look good. So anyways, your name, Devon. Devon in name, sure.
Yeah.
My daddy had a asylum now, and things don't happen. And start asking me if I want drinks. But you don't try the first thing I go to Raga.
Yeah.
I don't really want to jump and go talk about more drinks. Because I ever hear about this thing where them put thing in a juice and what I'm not.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm careful for my part and things. So I'm like, no, I don't really want nothing. But me, that's the test, Raga. Long time I did and she but say, I'm okay. But Raga keep me there in the thirsty, Anyways, my daddy and sing no Raga and him then sing, go on, the music I'm going good in Raga. Come can dance now, but can dance, we tell her dance Raga.
You can dance, good.
Dance. I'm saying start, watch me, I look like him out start. Him out start, go on, me. So now, him say, which part my work? I mean, he don't have it passing on my man. I don't know, Raga. So him go ask me, because I say I work in class people later after work job.
Yeah.
Ask me if I work, me I come from, I'm like, yes. And him say, where do you work? And I tell him, say, I work at IrieJam. I'm a customer service representative.
You tell him, say, you're customer service representative at IrieJam.
Yeah, I tell him, say, I'm a customer service representative at IrieJam. And what I'm not. So I said, Raga, I'm coming here, no, I'm falling over the boy, I'm Raga, I'm saying, I'm not good enough. And I tell my sister, them, oh, this one give me fever, and a beer fever, and I'm going, oh, I'm giving the fever, what have not.
I'm getting fever.
Yeah.
Your body hot.
And I tell them, say, Devon. It's not Devon, it's Devon.
Devon.
I'm falling over the boy, and you know.
Yeah.
Raga. Every minute him call me. Show me the yard at daytime also, but remember some don't tell him that here Jamaica I'm work, you know. Every time him call me, I see like my daughter I make up mess.
Yeah.
But run going out this other room and I'm like, hello.
Okay.
I'm say, could you hold on 1 minute? I'm act like me go answer this other phone. I not answer the phone and you know but I work with the auntie. And then I put the phone on hold and act like say something else me I do what happened.
So what you do? You do like hello and then you like it up and off for say IrieJam, good morning.
Like say, as somebody else, me I talk to somebody with customer were coming in.
See.
And I talk to them and whatnot and things.
Yeah.
So 1 year Raga, he might carry me out and spending money for me and see some work at IrieJam and everything, you know. What do you call me now and say, oh, you tell me that you work at Jamaica. The same time you say, no. So I come here, I start beating like make one little jump there, Raga. So I don't know what to do now, Raga. So I hang up the phone quick. And I start beating now, I don't know what to do, you know. Mr. Jesus, it look like they must have called down there and sign out everywhere. And them put so they don't know nobody names and whatnot. So I go call me back and say, I'm like, so you know, Javon, I didn't tell you that I get fired last week. I started to sit when him call back, you know, so he said, oh, you just hang up as I asked that question. So I said, I don't know if where I'm standing, the phone come out of service and things. So I start telling him, you know, but in the catch up on a wicked door. And anyways, I didn't let him go and ting. But I said, we are in catch up on me. So when you do the can thing, Raga,
yeah.
You have to smart. More women them out there for know, so they have to smart with it. They have to have them contingency plan. Them backup plan that if something happens, they know how to recover and things.
Okay. You think you're easy. You think you're easy.
Raga, let me give you the bad talk. No, me I tell you about what. My sister them vex with me. Oh, me dey on Raga. I'm not big them up. I want big up Ben up. That's my brother.
What your brother name?
Ben up.
Your brother name Ben up.
Him tall, Raga. So when he walk and nothing, he have to Ben up.
Okay.
So him too tall. I'm a sister named Punky.
Punky.
Pebbles.
Okay.
I'm a mother Valerie, Salad, and Rochelle. That's my next door neighbor. So them large. You know, they're not people like everybody into no in a Raga.
Oh, cool, no?
Yeah, them large. I'm a dancer. Them. I forgot my dancer. Them. Berry and Angel.
All right.
They're nice. I'm a brother. I'm sister. Shanti, I look after my baby now. I'm outside. I talk to you, Raga.
All right.
Shanti.
All right.
I Raga about the month thing now. I have to tell you about the month thing.
Quick, here.
Yeah, you see July, man, name.
Yeah.
Raga, me I tell you the truth. It look like an L-I-E, it's end with for true. Me not lie, Raga. Every July, man, me know I saw them lie.
Every July, man, you meet them just an extra lie at them, don't it?
No, them not tell me lie. With experience with all my sister, them and so.
Yeah.
Because me know how to go around every man.
Voila, you say you know how to go around every man?
No man can call
no,
me.
Voila, you never meet a player yet to trick you yet?
Never.
I lie, you tell me.
I tell you the truth.
No, man, you must get beat. You must get beat one or two times. You must get beat one. What that?
You don't bother with them. Never.
No, I tell you know what I tell nobody. You must meet up on a little dog out there who beat you one or two times. You must meet up on a little junker out there.
I'm too smart.
You're too smart.
Too
but you must meet up on a junker who know the game and know the code like wow and take it to you and beat you.
20 and a big man, me a call old man, young boy, school boy, everybody Raga. No man.
What you say you can them?
No real, yeah, me take them things, them spend them money for me. Any man spend them money for me.
Yeah.
Like my 2 children them.
Yeah.
Them have to spend money for me, I pick them too.
Oh, for real? From a man I spend money by him, I have to spend money by you, pick them.
Yeah, but I my pick them. I know this woman Raga.
Yeah.
She used to meet this topper class man. I know the woman that suffer Raga have 3 pitney. And every night she make the man carry a case and she not bring none for the pitney. And she tell the man say she not have no pitney.
Well, every night she make the man carry. Hold on. You say she meet a topper class man, right?
Yeah.
And every night, the man, well, I know. You say she meet a topper class, man. And every night, this topper class, man, carry her go, where? KFC.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I used to cuss her because she don't care none for the penny them now. What I'm not. She tell the man that she don't have any children. Raga and the penny them, they are stuff and the penny them, they are stay with me at the time.
You see it?
Because she have the penny children for she them live up the road from me.
Yeah.
I imagine the man come in at the Chris car in a Raga and she have to pass my house for.
Yeah.
Let her the kids them, she should have put them in the vehicle and come let them out. She make them walk come now while she in the car and go about her business.
So, and what you are saying?
So I mean, I like them.
Hold on, but what you are saying when you are run your can, man have to know about your pitney them and money have to spend on your pitney them.
Beautiful and them up there.
Okay, all right.
Them first of all, them tell them some have children because the first thing I tell them.
Okay.
But because man love me and love my personality and all my nice and things.
Cool, no baby.
Them have to love my children. Them not be.
So,
if I tell man some have pity, them not just turn them back. You know
so what I know. So your man, your man know. Him, yeah, your baby father. Him no know say you run them kind of.
No, he don't know nothing about me because him thinks say me alone him have and so and so. Cause him not make me go away in a Raga. Him want me in at the house every minute. Only him alone me for go out with him, me and my kids them.
Okay.
None else. And me spending money. So if he want a pants and me have to buy it's my want. But my man have to look good and
Hold on. You what? Because him bring him all and paycheck come give you. Yeah. And I use spending money. What you say? If him want a pants, him have to talk to you. And if you feel him to get a pants, at that time him get a pants.
Yeah, him not just say, if you see a jeans, I'm like, I say, look here, put that on pause. You don't want a jeans. Look how much jeans you have.
But are you a run this up? You rule him.
Yeah, but him a big man doing a Raga, but only one thing do.
What?
Him knows I'm afraid of nice. So you see Raga, sometimes him take out a piece of ratchet the way him have. If anytime him take it out, me just start run all about the place. But
okay.
Not really do me nothing, you know,
but Nikki, most people afraid of knife too, you know, so not just you.
I don't like them weird. I don't really like knife or the knife play. As I take it out, somebody disappear. Me just be a nice self and see it look like, yeah, him key the pan.
So wait, at that time you used to kind of discipline when you hype up on him just back him ratchet.
Yeah, he would have said, which one the ratchet? Which one the ratchet? Then we just start being.
So if him want a jeans and you don't want him buy a jeans, him back him knife, him get a jeans, no?
No, sir, no, I don't like them stupidness there.
Okay.
Like if me I ask my sister, and I say, what are you doing? I have to sit down in a corner and I chat to him, and where you going? Like, I want to hype in front of them and talk up some things over there.
Yeah.
He me talk about, say, wait, so which one am I ratchet there? And me just go corner and say, me a joke,
But it sound like you want to hear him say that.
What you mean?
You sound like you just do that for kind of like stir him up and provoke him.
Sometimes, not all the time.
But why you do that?
No, I got for the fun and thing.
Okay.
I have him from pot.
Okay.
Yeah.
You hear me, Nikki? You don't know. We're going to hear.
My wife will call me, because you see every topic where I say, oh, Raga, I have to tell you this before I go away.
Yeah.
I really want to have a nice program and the penny them gone at them there.
Yeah.
Like how the brother did I say, we talk up there, things them and something.
Yeah.
I think that you would be a perfect person for that.
All right. Me think about it.
We had a Raga, one big up, Sprousey!
Who that? Who? Sprousey! All right.
Yeah, Miss Peggy, Miss Thelma, Shocky.
Yeah.
Two of them, I hear calling them a lot.
You see it.
And this is Nikki from Dela Cree Park and Dela Cree Park a lot.
Why, Nikki, the people, them a call already and them say them love you.
So them say I love them too. I Raga, if you call me, because you see everything we talk about.
Yeah.
Everything we talk about, Raga.
Yeah, you have knowledge on it, no?
Everything.
All right, then, blessing.
Everything. And Raga, one more something I have to say this.
Yeah.
But he love this boy from me at 16 in a Raga. And you know, so Raga, I love the boy. You know, so the boy never bring a woman ice cream from me and him left from me. I go, until now.
Him not bring an next woman ice cream.
He don't have no other woman,
So, wait, what you say? Him still love you?
But him not talk to me. So, but he's a bunny in his head. It look like him can't have no other woman, none at all.
Yo, I mash him up, you know. I done him, you know.
I don't know Raga, but he not really know. But I really want to talk to him and stuff. But I not really talk to him, never talk to him yet. But he pass my house and thing.
But no more green light, no dead for him.
What, Raga? I love him. I'm tell my baby father about him every time. And I say, it's all about my ex-boyfriend. I try to forget him with my ex. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Raga, big up Shanti again. And them,
cool, baby. All right, enough respect here.
Love you.
All right. Yeah, baby. Well, I'm going to come and make a sample.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yo, welcome back up in our same thing. Last part, I don't know, say at 12 o'clock it done. The real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti. Alice, thank you here. People suck me in my teeth. I'm there old man and I need a Regina or root. And root you then near my teeth because you come via all the while I fast with the thing. You tell me something on my teeth. And Alice never come tell me. People, let me tell you something. If you're there around people and some booger in somebody's nose or something like so, or them mouth stink, just pull them one side and say, you may need a gum. Here you go. Or you may want to clean your nose or so. Uno, they're around the people, them mouth stink, uno lean around the face for half hour. Instead of just quietly tell the people or whatever, or uno turn around the eye count and look on the booger in them nose. Uno must just tell them and done. Anyway, phone line. Morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Aite, what's up?
Yo, Mr. Washbelly, this is Miss B. Washbelly. I say, yo, Raga, me I tell her, say, me log in from Monday, for me I deal with the rape issue and, you know, the sensitive issue. And
Yeah.
Me I watch how they deal with the texture of the different nuances of a different color. And I say, yo, your program, every program in a one.
You see it.
I say, your program, every color, can get everything. Trust me, I log and listen for myself. Me come like a fan knowing a Raga.
You see it.
Yo, before I say, big up Nicky, trust me, I sample. And the next time you come asylum.
Oh, you mean Nicky from Delacree?
Nicky from Delacree, I sample. This is I to say, the next time you come asylum on a Friday, the first drink is on me.
That's right.
Them is on the rest of them. But the first drink is on me. Raga, December 6th, me born. December 6th.
Tomorrow your birthday. Yeah, Miss Thelma have the same birthday.
Big up Miss Thelma, trust me.
Does that mean say you're wicked now?
Miss Thelma wicked? No, we just love chat. Let me tell you, we just love chat. If we can't chat, we sing. Big up Richie Stevens, because today I feel Earth strong now.
Yeah, enough respect to Richie Stevens. Yeah, man, his birthday today, yeah?
Yeah, so I say, we just know, say, we love chat, and you know what I mean?
But you have any month woman out there who you afraid of, IT?
Afraid of August. Oh, God, man.
August woman them.
Genal.
What?
You understand? They can't go on them.
What, man?
I feel, you know, but it's a September woman, trust me, they're marriageable.
But, well, you talk about the woman them, you know, but we big up September woman them too as a September man, you know? Why September woman them marriageable?
Yeah, man, it's a way them dedicate, them livicate, them evocate, them dedicate, them say, are you? You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, if a September woman say, boom, so and so my man, she nah gears, she nah miss or nothing.
I say that for you, but you know, say, I can't make a point with me. It's a valid point. I say, you have to look upon the sign, but you know, someone have different signs too, you know?
Yeah.
I think it impact on the person and the people them and thing for real. You don't know we that for real. Whether it goes or it don't go, so I saw it go, I saw it go.
Cool, no king.
Born a month, I saw it stay. You know what I mean? But we're going to say, well, big up. I listen to your program and trust me for real. If I'm on them log in and till things sell off, you know what I mean?
And you don't know, say, Friday evening asylum, where they are your thing, I support your thing too. I mean, I'm a fan of your thing, because you see me there. I'm not too light, nobody know where I hang out, you know. But you don't know, say, there's some there Friday evening time, because you prop up the thing, man. You're creative, you're original, you always come with something where enter. Wait, you don't know about this, Allison? Afterward jam, IT run, afterward jam, asylum, mad thing every Friday, man. Full of vibes. You laugh till you're weak. Be a things him go on with, you know?
Enjoy yourself. But, you know, important little rock, I want to big up your listeners. Because guess what I know? You see your listeners, them, and they make the show, you know. You great to know, rock, you know what I mean? You great, but you see your listeners, them, because you have all kind of personality, I call, with all kind of story. I mean, you have the Samanthas, you have the Nikki, you have the Thelma, you have the Ed girl.
Yeah.
I mean, and there's so much more of me they ever know.
No, you must say Miss Thelma, do you know? She's 83 years old. No, you don't say Thelma, Miss Thelma.
Miss Thelma.
Right, all right.
For real. They make the show because I say them come with some different nuance. And Nikki, but I tell us, trust me.
You see.
Sample girl, because I work at Jamaica. No.
So when the brother call her back and say, you tell me say Erica here Jamaica. So me never did tell you say me get fired last week.
I'm telling you something. Me a drive and me a clap. Me a clap. Me a clap the way so people say, boy, I must get off. Me not like to sell off.
They can't sample, man. They can't sample. It's not easy at all. I hear which school she used to go? Arden.
You know what I mean?
So gone are the days when they must say only people who got Norman Manley and Charlie Smith who run certain thing or move certain way. Then Campion, Immaculate and thing it dead too.
It's dead too, man. For me, I should big up our brother Ben up. You know, so Jamaica, we are alone space, you know. Depends on what I'm saying, them gear. If you have one and them call you one.
One.
But my brother Blacker, Ellis, him give one of us about a brother, one of them on short and one of them on long, and them call him Clock.
And them call him what?
Clock.
When I'm on short and when I'm on long, and him name Clock. An hour and a minute. Yeah, my brother down at Seaview, him a drink and thing and everybody hold him liquor and him go chew up and thing. I know a theme name from that day. Vomit. Up till today day, I vomit him name.
No, I saw that.
Yeah. So you get to them. Anyway, IT, you don't know enough respect. You seen Papa?
Big up yourself.
Straight blessings every time, man. And big up Fancy Cat anyway, I'm there. Yo, people, I saw the thing set up, we're going to rinse it proper again, and I be nice this and thing, and next week we're going to change the topic, though. We have a different, we're going to come with confession, so we're going to put down confession, because we have a different topic that come next week, where the people, some people tell me, say them want for happen, but today is Wednesday, so we're not telling next week topic yet. Friday, I go mad, because we come back with cuss out, right? And people want to rinse back the snake audio them, and some people still ask for Amazing Grace, but we think we play that too much, right? I think. So we have the snake audio them for come back, and we have some other thing the Rooty got dig up. We're mad and things. So Friday, beer things, Mixup An Blenda Fun Friday, right? Yes, up on Ragashanti Live.